right now, guys, we currently have the fill dirt into the left side of the above ground raised beds. And we did make a mistake. We ordered a truckload of dirt. You saw us actually loading in the wheelbarrow earlier on the video. And the people that we bought it from, the company actually we got it from, said it was topsoil. Okay, so they brought it yesterday and Christian was at work, and they guaranteed it was topsoil. So yesterday we didn't really pay too much attention to it. It was after 5 o'clock basically when they came and dropped off the dirt. Well, today when we were loading the wheelbarrow, Christian and I both noticed this is more clay dirt than actual topsoil. So I don't think the company we got it from actually knows what topsoil is. Or if they do, they didn't bring us the right load. It's really disappointing. So right now we have gone to Home Depot and we've purchased so far 18 bags of the topsoil mix. And you can see we did the whole one wall. We did put that clay dirt on the bottom. We're going to try to mix it in to where it's a little bit better compost dirt. But the topsoil that we did get from Home Depot, it's native Texan topsoil. It's for raised bed gardens, and so it should do the job that we're looking for on whether or not it's going to help produce better greens and that there. So the 18 bags that we did get, we got down from the whole left side of the greenhouse down to this middle section so far. Christian did go back to Home Depot. I think he's going to get another 30 bags of dirt to see if that helps fill in the necessaries that we don't have. So that's where he went. Right now I'm kind of going in and adding in some extra water lines because we noticed that the sprayers are not enough for right now. So I'm going in and putting extras in because it gets really hot here and we need extra water to come in. So far you saw earlier that I added just this one. I went and got some little T-valves and just cut into the existing hose and just teed this in and brought it over and put on down another sprayer. And I'm gonna do that all the way through, probably on the both of the ends of the greenhouse, and then I do have to do the middle section of the greenhouse to go down through the middle raised bed. And then again on the right hand side we're going to go ahead and put in some more sprayers. That way we have enough sprayers for the entire raised beds. Right now we still have them on that timer even though there's nothing planted in here, just to see. We did have some issues on the sprayers. They did get clogged with the PVC granules that come off whenever you first install the PVC pipe. Apparently we didn't get all those little pieces off, so they went down into the little nozzles and clogged them. So we had to take them apart and unclog them, which is not too difficult. You just unscrew this head right here and pull it off, and then you just blow it out. And what I did is I took a little nail and made sure the pinhole that's in there is cleaned out. But so far the sprayers are doing really good in here. The one that I have above the work table is doing really well for these starter trays. As you can see, we do have so far, I planted them last Sunday. On the trays were planted last Sunday. So right now, as you can see, we currently have baby corn coming up. So far the corn has came up. I do believe I see some of the green beans trying to come through. Not sure about the okra yet. But then again, we're only on day 6. So tomorrow is actually a full week. We do have baby tomatoes. Those are the little tomato sprouts coming out. In the back, you can't see them very good, but we do have the cucumbers coming in. The little cucumbers are sprouting in. They're just barely coming in back there. So it's pretty neat to actually, like I said before, I've never started with seeds on the tomatoes. And I'm like super excited that they actually came out. We've been watching these and waiting every day to see if they actually were going to come out or not. So this morning I went back in the house because we did get snow here. Was it Wednesday, I believe we got snow, and it was down to freezing. So we've been having the little planters inside the house in the spare bedroom and keeping a light in that they're on them, and watering them 3 times a day or whenever we needed to water them so they don't stay dry, because we have natural gas and it stays real hot in our house. So we would constantly water them and check them every day. And this morning I went back to look at them and give them some more water, and lo and behold, called Christian back there and told him we got sprouts. Finally got a sprout coming in, which is a plus. So right here, we never really went in depth on the little sprayers that we got, but these are they're micro sprayers is what they are. It's little misters, 1/4 inch barb tubing. We got 10 more of these to use in here in the greenhouse. And then these are the T-valves that I actually went and purchased today. It's a 10 pack for, I think it was like $2 and some change. I probably won't need them all, but I got 2 packages of them. So that's what I'm working on right now, is putting in that more tubing for the water lines. And it's really hot in here again today, and it's not that warm outside. So we're just kind of doing odds and ends right now. I'm not able to plant anything yet. I still have a lot of prepping to do in the dirt before we decide to actually put any seeds in the ground. So we're just kind of doing the little pots you see on the bottom. I got 1 pot in the bottom and then an empty tray over there on the bottom. I hadn't gotten to those yet. Between the weather and work, haven't been able to. So that's what I have so far, guys.